Hi guys, this is Ganesh, and today I am going to tell you why our mind goes blank when we are speaking. So, hear me out now. I'm sure that you know Sandeep Maheshwari ji. He is one of the top motivational speakers in the world. और उनके लाइफ में ये सिचुएशन आया था जब वे पूना के एक इवेंट में गए थे और वहाँ पे आई थिंक वो एमबीए स्टूडेंट्स को एड्रेस कर रहे थे और उस टाइम वो बोलने के टाइम पे सडनली थोड़ा बोलने के बाद में ही वेंट ब्लैंक. ही डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से नेक्स्ट एंड ही एक्सेप्टेड दैट थिंग वेरी सिंसियरली विथ ऑनेस्टी. अगर दूसरा कोई बंदा या वो खुद ये सोच के कि मुझे बोलना नहीं आया और उससे फ्रस्ट्रेट होके अगर उन्होंने बोलना ही बंद किया होता तो आज शायद वो इस मुकाम तक कभी नहीं पहुंचते. सो आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट हिम फॉर नॉट गिविंग अप, फॉर बाउंसिंग बैक विथ सो मच एफर्ट, सो मच कॉन्फिडेंट, and really he is my big inspirational. He has really empowered me in terms of how to get back, how to bounce back in these situations. So why our mind goes blank? We are going to discuss these things. You will face these situations number of times, but you have to come back. You have to get back. You have to get up again to face these situations. If you run away from these situations, this will end your journey. This will end your growth. So this is super important. We are human, so we are bound to make mistakes. Big YouTubers also make mistakes. But mind you, they edit the videos by professional people. So don't wait for perfection. Just keep on trying, keep on adding the values in your life. This is really critical thing. Listen to English every day. Increase your storage. We have to increase our storage. Then only when you are talking, you will have that kind of comfort. And you can say or you can strike the word very correctly in a very appropriate situation. So, hear me out what I am trying to say. This is not so complex that you will not be able to understand. This is very simple. What we are doing daily, we have to just be conscious about these things. This is the thing which we have to follow. Why our mind goes blank? The problem is that you don't have the words, but you are thinking that you don't have the words. This is not the problem. Very minimum words are required to make a particular sentence. Start with small sentence. No, who is stopping you? Who is stopping you from speaking English? Initially people will make fun of you, but later on they are going to accept you. Nobody here is to reject you. So note this thing. Nobody is here to demoralize you. That personally, if you ask me this question, who will you support? If there are two guys who is expert in English and who is struggler, then definitely I would go with struggler one, because he needs my support. So I am going to support him. So everybody in this world is thinking this way, but only you are thinking that if I commit mistake, if I make any mistake, people will start judging me. So we have to remove this myth from our mind and start, fresh with so much confidence that yes, I know English, I can speak English, and I am able to speak English. I will speak English. Definitely, if you are with this mindset, nobody will stop you from speaking English. Be positive always. I know English, I will speak English. Definitely, these are really motivational things, and whenever I start my talk or whenever I want to talk, definitely I have this thing back of the mind always. So our mind is trained to speak in a mother tongue. This is the reality, okay? You don't understand the reason behind it, that why you are not able to speak English. Our mind is really, since childhood we have been using our mother tongue only, and the regional language, whatever it may be Hindi, it may be Malayalam, it may be Kannada, okay? So it can be anything, but English is not there anywhere. So it is really important to understand that mind will take time to replace the mother tongue, because we have been speaking, we have been just using that language for years. So it's not happen, it will not happen in a day or two. It will certainly take some time. And I tell you that if you continue, even if you fall, even if you make mistakes, then definitely this is going to end. This is not going to continue in your life. So really, if you keep on trying, if you keep it up, doing more and more talk, doing more and more practices, definitely one day you will have that kind of fluency. I started with small sentences. I would make mistakes. I used to make mistakes when I was trying to make sentences. When I was practicing, I made a lot of mistakes, but I know that I am making mistakes now, but in the future this will not be repeated. I will not repeat it. I have still kept those videos. You can watch those videos. These are 4-year-old videos. You can watch those videos and watch my condition when I started speak in front of camera. I was really making so many mistakes, and my body language was also so much different from what I am today. So don't hesitate. This is just a hesitation which you feel that you will make mistakes. But the thing is that nobody is not making the video without mistakes. Everybody is making videos with mistakes, but still they are just editing the videos and showing you that now we are expert, we are not making mistakes. So these are the things. Even a top director hires a top actress in his film. He has to edit every scene, almost every scene he has to edit. So this will go on, and we have to accept this reality. Any movies like Bahubali or any biggest movie, there is no perfection. You can watch these scenes in YouTube. So don't wait for perfection. Just do what you like, and one day you will succeed, definitely.